What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video today. Today I'm going to be showing y'all tips and tricks to catching saltwater fish off the piers at the beach. First things first is a bait called the gotcha plug. Little red and white. Red and whites always work best for me. And this bait right here is mostly good for like bluefish, Spanish mackerel, stuff like that. And I'm going to show y'all another bait. It is called the Gotcha White Swimming Mullet. And you rig them up on I rig them up on a 2-ounce jig head. And the best way that you rig them up is you line the jig head up with the minnow till you reach the top. And when it gets straight up and down, just like that, that's when you know that's where you want to pull your hook out at. So what you do is, through the top, go downward, and about right there is where you want it to come out. As you can see, thing straight up and down. Now this is a bait that's good for flounder, sea trout, stuff like that. And I want to show you the #1 go-to rig when it comes to fishing piers at the beach. And that is the classic bottom rig. And what you want to do is, I take a bunch of line like this. First, see, with this rig you're going to need some of these. So you want to make sure you cut about 12 inches of line as your thing to go where your hook goes. Put that right over there. What you do is you take this lead, and this lead is called an egg sinker. So you take the line and you go through the hole just like that, and it'll come in like this. And with this lead you want it to be free sliding like that. Then you take, see, you don't have to use this big pack of beads, but I got this big box of beads at Walmart for like $1, so you don't have to use all these. You can use pink, purple, yellow, green, red. They have like 4 different colors, but I mostly use red and green. And like I said, you can get this big thing at Walmart for like $1 and some change. So now what you want to do is you want to take one of these beads, and once again, has a little hole in it right there, and you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to let it keep on free sliding. Just like that. You go through the hole, and you let it free slide with the weight. Let it free slide. Then, here's where these come in handy, right here. Here's where these come in. Now with these types of barrel swivels right here, this is a 200-pound barrel swivel. And this right here, I use a polymer knot because it has 2 of these little loops on it. So what I do is I go through the eye. Come back through, go through like that to where the thing is free sliding. Then I make a knot like this to where, like that. Then I go through, then I take the barrel swivel, I go through that loop right there, then I pull tightly, just like that. Then, you see you got tag right there. What you do is you take your knife, cut the tag off right there. Then you see with the barrel swivel, and why I always use a bead with this rig is because the bead keeps your knot right there safe from the weight. Because if you don't have a bead, the weight will rough up your line. And see, and as you can see, the barrel swivel stops the bead and stuff from going any farther. So as I was saying, with this rig right here, you take your knot, take your line, you go through, and this, for this, I use a twist knot for the second piece of line. So what you do is you go through, I like to do 7 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, as you can see, you have a little tiny loop right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a loop right there. You take your line, you go through the loop down at the bottom, grab it with your teeth, like that, and you pull tightly, just like that. And once again, take your tag, cut the tag end off, and then you have about 12 inches of leader line. Then you take your hook right here, you go through, and I do a loop that's called I call it a uni knot. So what you do is you go up, twist 7 times, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, go through the loop, grab it, and as you can see, there's a loop right there. Take your little tag end, and you go through that loop, grab it with your teeth, pull tightly. Bam. Cut tag end off, and boom. That right there is how you make a bottom rig for saltwater. Alrighty everyone, I appreciate all the subscribers that subscribed to my channel yesterday. We hit 3. I'm hoping by the end of this month I hit 100 subscribers by the end of this month. Can we make that happen? 100 subscribers. I would love 100 subscribers by the end of this month. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to click on them notification bells beside the subscribe button. So that way you are always notified whenever I upload a video. I will see you guys in the next video.